Flaxseed helps to naturally stabilize the immune system. Flaxseed is the flax plant's seed. There are seeds with both brown and yellow shells. Both varieties are natural remedies that help to stabilize the immune system and have a variety of other beneficial properties. Flax is one of the oldest cultivated plants on the planet. People were cultivating it as early as the Neolithic period, according to evidence. For thousands of years, both the fibers and the oil extracted from the seeds have been highly valued. The ingredients in flax oil are what make flaxseed so appealing as a natural remedy in terms of health. Characteristics and active ingredients. Flax seeds have recently regained popularity as it has become clear how important a good balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids is in the diet for immune system stabilization. The case is not the same for omega-3 fatty acids. However, there is a growing awareness of the importance of paying attention in order to achieve a good mix here. Flax seeds are one of the oilseeds with a particularly high proportion of omega-3 fatty acids, making them an excellent natural remedy in and of themselves. These also contain mucilage, fiber, ligans, vitamins B1, B2, C, E, and beta-carotene, as well as minerals potassium, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, and iron. They have a healing effect when used internally as well as externally, and when eaten on a regular basis, they provide beautiful skin and help to lower cholesterol levels. Their ingredients have a beneficial effect on cardiovascular issues. They lower blood sugar levels and are thus beneficial in type 2 diabetes. They make the body more resistant to diseases of all kinds by stabilizing the immune system. They aid in constipation by stimulating digestion. They also aid in weight loss because they saturate for an extended period of time. Toxins and harmful substances are bound by them. The seed's high concentration of vitamins and minerals helps to compensate for nutritional deficiencies. Side effects. It is important to always take flax seeds with enough water or other liquids, because they swell up very much. Some people react to the seeds with flatulence in the beginning. Dosage. To take full advantage of the health benefits of flax seeds, up to 45 grams per day can be taken by adults. Children need correspondingly less, depending on their body size. 45 grams is approximately equal to the amount of 3 tablespoons. In case of digestive problems, up to 2 tablespoons full of flaxseed can also be taken occasionally up to 3 times a day. However, since they contain a relatively high amount of cadmium, one should not eat more than 3 tablespoons per day of them in normal use. In general, flax seeds are also good to use them wisely in the kitchen. They work well in breads and pastries, cereal mixes, salads, desserts and more, and have a pleasant nutty flavor. If you like, you can also have your daily serving of flax seeds this way or treat your family to them instead of just ingesting them. In general, the healthy seeds can only benefit you and your loved ones, not harm them. Quality. What to look for when buying? Flaxseed can be purchased either ground or whole. The advantage of ground flaxseed is that the active ingredients can be absorbed faster and better by the body. However, they spoil more quickly in the crushed state. In the description, we linked flax seeds we recommend. We hope you will give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.